Are you facing any practical difficulties while designing steel structures as per IS 800-2007 or you want to learn the design of steel structures from the first fundamental? Then you may be interested in the upcoming online course Steel STR001. Decode IS 800-2007 along with software. For design of steel structures, IS 800-2007 was published before 13 years, but still there are certain practical difficulties related to implementation of the IS code. It is not a conventional revision of the code, as there is complete change in design philosophy from working stress design method to limit state design method. There are practical difficulties, since commentary on the code along with detailed practical examples are not available. Also, there are certain gaps between the latest IS code and the popular software. During the course, we will discuss such gap areas and possible solutions for the same. The course Steel STR001 will cover discussion on important clauses of the code as well as application of same in the software, e-tabs and Start Pro. The course will cover the important areas such as second-order elastic analysis, plastic analysis, elastic buckling load factor, moment amplification factors, effective length calculations, different limit states, block shear, lateral torsional buckling, connection design, earthquake-resistant design, fire-resistant design, durability, etc. The course will be conducted by Bhavin Shah, founder and CEO of SQV Consultants. He is having a dream of enhancing the engineering profession in the different organizations. He started the journey as a structural engineer and got the opportunities for designing industrial structures of the diversified industries like oil and gas, thermal power plants, renewable energy, manufacturing industries, etc. within India as well as outside India. Worked in different stages of engineering like pre-feasibility studies, basic engineering, detailed engineering, retrofitting of the existing structures, involved in forensic investigation for identifying root cause for collapse of the structures, etc. After having more than 2 decades of industry experience, he is pursuing PhD in structural engineering. His area of interest for research is earthquake-resistant design of industrial steel structures. The course will commence on 28 September 2021 and will be completed on 30th October 2021. There are 22 plus contact hours. The sessions will be arranged on every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. Timing of the session will be 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. We are offering discount for continuous learner. If you have attended previous courses of SQV Consultants, then the discount will be offered. Also, the discount will be offered for group registrations. For more details, please visit the link which is shown at bottom of the screen. Your any doubts or questions are welcome at the email address mentioned on the screen. Looking forward to meet you in the unique online course.